What is up, Mega Dudes? I'm working on this lawnmower project. I don't know if this is going to be a part of like the build series for it because I didn't end up doing any of the things I wanted to do with it yet. But I was looking at it and I was like, I want to make it useful. So, I was working in the shop today and I leaned up one of these like push plow things. It's like a big blade and it's got some wheels and stuff. Either way, it's about to be garbage. And I thought, if I can find some scrap metal lying around here, then I can see about going through and turning it into a plow for this lawnmower that I have. And then things escalated quickly. I recorded little to none of it, and here we are currently. I'll put some pictures up of like steps along the process. I made this little X-frame deal out of an old hand railing. I cut up parts of that original pusher here, and then when I went to test it, like a fool, I didn't account for cracks in the sidewalk and I broke the bottom of the blade out. It would have worked. Now that piece is gone. So I went to a local hardware store. I picked up some metal and I roughly shaped it over a paint can. And then I need to finish welding it. And we're gonna keep the camera nice and far away, so that way you guys can't see how fucking horrible my welds are. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna throw it into a time lapse. I'm gonna finish welding this up, and then probably just for mock-up throw some self-tappers through the front of it, and maybe reevaluate where the mounting position is. But I think I'm a little bit too late to go back on that now. Take that back. We're just gonna ignore that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get to work. So that's basically it. Went through and little buffers on each side and put a deal across the bottom, which just to keep it from getting stuck in like sidewalk stuff. We get some really wet, heavy snow here during the end of the winter season, so I typically get stuck shoveling it. So ideally, I can use this to, well, to not have to do that. So, all said and done, it's just a hack job of leftover material, everything except for the blade part, which I didn't anticipate making. But now that it's done, all I want to do is put a metal bar across the top, because it lines out the bottom. It makes that look so much nicer. And this is all because I'm not a sheet metal fab guy. Well, at least not yet. So, I don't know. I don't think this video is going to be terribly instructional or helpful to basically anyone. But if you have a Dynamark and some extra time, you can just take some shit and make a functional plow. Maybe come this winter I'll post up a video of me using it. But until next time, have a good one, my good dudes.